Back to NewsVision, I'm meteorologist Reed McDonough. A lot of severe weather today across the Florida Peninsula. This is an image. I pulled some images from Twitter to show you the severe weather and destruction we had. This is a possible tornado. The National Weather Service still has yet to confirm this tornado, but I think it's pretty clear now that we did have a large tornado move across northern Okeechobee County in Fort Drum, Florida. Now, this is some aerial footage from WPTV's helicopter showing you the extent of this damage. There's confirmed 16 homes were destroyed, as well as some trailer homes. This is courtesy of Jeff Gammons. This is an image from the ground that shows this home completely leveled by this storm. And again, some more aerial footage here. Now, I want to take a look at this screenshot of radar, courtesy of Jeff Bardelli over at CBS 12. This is what we call a hook echo in meteorology, and it's a good signature of a tornado that is either forming or on the ground, amongst other things. And this happens when the circulation is so tight that it wraps this storm around, and your tornado would be somewhere right in this vicinity. This was taken at 9:50 a.m. and then just moments later, this storm did move across northern Fort Drum. And like I said, destroy those homes. There was lots of damage. The schools were all on lockdown and the children were in their safe places. We, of course, are keeping our friends in Okeechobee in mind as we head into the evening and the weekend. But let's bring it back to here in South Florida and talk about our weather headlines. We almost hit a record today. Our high was 90. We missed the record by 2 degrees. A cold front is moving through the area right now. You might need to break out those sweaters just one more time before we say goodbye to winter. Of course, those temperatures are still very warm for this time of the night out there. 84 in Miami, similar story across South Florida. Not much going on precipitation-wise, in fact, at all. All of the rain has moved offshore, and the clouds are also starting to dissipate and move offshore right now. If we take a step back, this area highlighted in red, covering a large portion of Florida, is a severe fire weather watch. And that means that conditions are favorable for A, fires to start, and B, fires to spread and spread quickly. We saw 600 acres burn in the Everglades today, still burning now, but they do have that one under control. Now, if we take it up north, we see the northeast New England is getting hammered by lots of precipitation and storms today. This is all due to this deep low pressure system that we saw move across the eastern portion of the country yesterday and today, bringing with it lots of chaos. We had tornadoes across the eastern portion of the country yesterday, as well as severe storms. And associated with it is this cold front that we see here that's bringing some cooler and pleasant temperatures to here in Miami. Tonight, we're dropping down to 63 degrees. Those winds are going to shift from the west and then start coming out of the north around 15 miles an hour, associated with that cold front. And tomorrow, beautiful conditions, dropping down to 50 Friday night, and then we're settling into that warm pattern for the rest of our summer or warm season. All right, that's what I've got for weather. Let's take it over to Christina with sports.